Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me Nokia 3310 mobile phone, and in this video I will show you how to block a contact or block a number in your Nokia 3310. So you will not receive any calls from that person or that specific number. Okay, so first of all what you have to do, you have to go into the menu. So press this middle button, go into the menu, and then just scroll down. Okay, and then you see this option of settings. So this is the settings icon. Okay, so you can see over here, it's written over here settings, and then just go into the setting by pressing the middle button. Once you enter into the settings, just scroll down. Okay, and then you see this option of call settings. So just select this call settings option. So once you select this call settings option, just scroll down. Okay, and then you see the option over here, it says block list. Okay, you see this option in the call setting which is called block list. Okay, so just select it, just select it. Okay, currently it is empty because I don't have any contact. I didn't put anyone on my block list. So now what you have to do, select these options. So once you select this option button, you see it will show you add to block list. Okay, so you just press this middle button, choose it. Okay, so now it will give you two different options. If you know the number of the person, okay, if someone is annoying you and you know the number of the specific person, okay, so you can just simply write down here the number that you don't want to receive any call from, that you want to block. Okay, so for example, I press this number, and then you can press OK. Okay, so for example, I press this, so number added to the block list. So now this number is blocked, I cannot receive any call from this number. If you have the contacts saved in your phone, you can also block that person. How? Simply go to the options again using this button, see this add to block list. Okay, just press it, and then you see this contacts, it's written here contacts. Okay, just use this downside of the ring, press it, and then it will take you to the contacts. Okay, so you have different persons over here. For example, if you want to block this person, you want to block this contact. Okay, simply choose it, and then it will also add it to the block list. So you can see over here I have this block list, so that person, that contact with the number, and that number alone as well. So now these two numbers are blocked. So this is how you can block as many number, as many contact as you want. Okay, this is the first thing. The second thing is, if you want to unblock and if you want to remove someone from your block list, so how you can do it? Simply again go to the menu. Okay, go to the settings. Okay, this is the settings icon. Okay, go to the call settings. Now I will go to the call settings. So this is the call settings. Okay, once you go into the call setting, just scroll down all the way down, and then you see this option of block list. Okay, so just select it by middle button. So you can see over here, so if you want to remove, for example, you want to remove this one, this person. Okay, you want to unblock it, so simply just select it, then go to this options, selected options, and then you see the first option, it is saying over here, it says remove from list. Okay, then press this remove from list option, so number removed from blocked list. So this number is no more in the blocked list, so you can receive the calls, the normal calls from that specific number. Okay, and if you want to add someone, same thing, go to this options, press this button, add to block list, choose, and then simply here you can press the number over here. If you want to remove this person, you can also do it. Simply go to the option remove from the list, the number is removed from the list. Okay, and if you want to add some other contacts, simply go to the options again. Okay, add to block list contacts. Okay, for example, I want to block this person, I want to block this contact, just choose it, and then it will add it to your block list. The number is now blocked, you will not receive any number, any call from this number. So this is how you can add contacts or add any number to your block list, or this is how you can block any contact or any number in your Nokia 3310 mobile phone. So this is for today's video. I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy the video. So please do subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you very much.